So you want to create or insert a table of contents into Microsoft Word document. So to achieve that, first thing, given that you have the document ready, is to add page numbers. To add page numbers, go to insert and you'll see here page number. Click on it and at the bottom of the page, so you're going to select plain number. Select it. This will automatically add page numbers to your document. After that, you're going to format your document. So this is a normal casing, so we need to add an heading. So we're going to assign this an H1 heading. This one we're going to assign an H2 heading, H2 heading, H2 heading, and yeah, let's give this one to an H2 heading. So you can do this for the whole of your document. So also make sure that you have formatted the document well, so to make it look nice. Yeah, so after that, then you should add an extra page for the table of contents. To add an extra page, go to view. To add an extra page, go to insert. You'll see a blank page option under the toolbar. So click on blank page to add a page. So in this case, we can view that we have an extra blank page here. So to add now to add the table of contents, go to references and click on table of contents and select automatic table of contents. So you can see that our headings, our H2, H1 and H2 headings have been assigned under the table of contents. So the reason why you should go with the automatic table of contents is that when you make changes to your document, you can always click on it and click on update entire table to update the entire table of contents. Yeah, so that's it.